Hi, I'm Syed, and I'm excited to help you with your WordPress VPS and dedicated server web hosting, website migrations, WordPress affiliate website design, and SEO content writing needs. I'm a graduate of ComStats University, where I studied MBA. Today, I am a professional web designer, web host manager, and SEO content writer with 10 years of experience and a passion for WordPress, affiliate websites, and WordPress server management. I am highly skilled at choosing the best servers for your website, SEO affiliate content writing, fixing the issues with WordPress websites, malware removal, SSL installation, configuring cPanel/WHM, plus CyberPanel email accounts, email marketing, and setting up Linux and remote Windows servers for hosting WordPress, e-commerce stores, PHP scripts. Check out my gigs for more information, and if you want to know more about what it's like to work with me, you can take a look at the many reviews my customers have left. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit about Syed from WebSoul Expert. If you have any questions or would like to discuss the details of your project, please feel free to send me a message. I look forward to working with you.